Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 5th, chapter 9, boxes and sketches, part 1. Students, you are going to learn today a new chapter, that's boxes and sketches. Students, this chapter is not there for your assessment, but it is the conceptual based chapter, so you have to learn that what is there in this chapter. This chapter is quite related to the chapter which we had done earlier, how big, how heavy, right? In that, how I taught you about the cubes and all. Okay, students, so it is related to somewhat that chapter. Definitely you will be finding it that you are acquainted with whatever topics I'm going to teach you in this chapter. So let's begin. Students, this is the first page of your 9th chapter, boxes and sketches. Okay, here it begins with a sweet box topic. Sweet box means the box which we get sweets in that from the sweet shop, right? Ramya went to buy sweets. Ramya is a girl and she went to buy some sweets. The shopkeeper took a paper cutout and quickly made a lovely pink box for the sweets. This is the box which Ramya brought from the shopkeeper's shop. The shopkeepers actually was having this kind of cardboard paper with it with little cuts out. Cutout means these kinds are the cut. It is not complete square or rectangle. These cutouts were there, and when he folded it quickly, it became in no time a box like this in which he could keep the sweet, measure it, and then give it to the customers. The Ramya is a customer here. Look at the photo and make your own box. Use the cutout open which is given on page number 201. How fast can you fold it? So this is an activity for you to be done. So this will be a homework for you. You do it by cutting out whatever the figure is there on page number 201 and try to make a box like this. After coming home, Ramya unfolded the box. So Ramya was very curious to know that how the shopkeeper has made a box so quickly in no time. So what she did, she took out all the sweets from the box and then she unfolded the box. She removed the extra flaps so the cutout looked like this. When she removed everything, the flaps, these are the flaps, the cutout looked like this. Now could you see? The dotted lines show you the folded part. So this was folded and standing upright here. This and this, the left and right. Again this upright here. So and then this part covers on the top, and in this manner it became a box. So a box has how many faces? This is one face. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. For every box, what you need? 6 faces, whether it is a cube or cuboid. Now, what is the difference between a cube and cuboid? I explained you earlier in one of the chapter, right? Cuboid is having lengths and breadths of different size, different length. That means length of this is greater than the width of the box. Right. So these kind of boxes are called cuboid. Can you give me some of the examples? Okay. Let me give you. Your eraser is a cuboid shaped thing. Okay. Then your compass box is also a cuboidal shaped thing. Okay. And then many things are there. For example, the chalk box. The chalk box, sometime it is, that non-dust chalk box comes. It is a cuboidal shaped box. Then the cigarette packets, the match box, all these are cuboids. So what are cubes? The cubes are like this. You remember? These are having 6 faces. This is 1. this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So now here this is 5 and the opposite of 5 is 6. These are 6 faces. These plane surfaces are called the faces. So a cube is actually square from all the side. Can you see 3, 4, 1, 2, this is 5 and this is 6. This 6. All are actually having a square shape. So this kind of things, where do you see? Correct. When you play the snakes and ladder game, right? There you have the dice which is marked with 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dots. We are going to see this kind of dice preparation next in the upcoming videos. In this chapter only, this kind of things are there and you have to make a cube out of it. Okay? So this is a cube and this is a cuboid. Okay, now this shape makes a box. Now let this Ramya wants to see what other shape will make a box. So what does she did? You know, let me show you. See, Ramya prepared A, B, C and D kinds of cutouts. And she want to check that out of these cutouts, how many of them will make a box. Okay, so a box need how many faces? 6 faces. Okay, so let's see here. See, the dotted lines is actually the end of one face. So the complete this is one face. So I'm going to write 1 here. Below this is second. This is third. This one is 4. This will be the 5th one and this will be the 6th one. So these are having all, you know, and when they are going to stand upright, so 2 of them are of base and top and the other 2 walls here. Now we need wall for this side and this side. So 5th will cover from the left side and 6th will cover from the right side. So definitely this is the cutout which will definitely makes a box. Now let us see this one. So as you can see, the dotted line, it makes a triangle. Now whenever you are going to see that the box are prepared with only and only either square or rectangles. See, all are rectangles here. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Similarly here, rectangle, 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 rectangle. This will not prepare a rectangle, as well as will count the numbers of faces. See, this triangle is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6th face, this is 7th face and this one is the 8th face. So a box cannot have 8 faces. It can have only and only 6 faces. So this figure cannot make a box. Now let us see this one. All rectangles. See. Now let us count the numbers of faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many faces are here? 6 faces are here, right? So when they are going to upstand, see, this will be making one wall, this will be making one wall. This is the base of the box and this will become the top of the box. And the side walls are this one. Understood, student? So definitely this will make a box. Now let us see this one. All rectangles. Yeah, fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, how many faces are there? Only 5. So this won't make a complete closed box. Definitely this side wall is not there. So the box is open from this side. Okay. So this figure or this cutout will not turn into a box. This is the next page activity. Shape that folds into a cube. Now Ramya understood that a cube has how many faces? 6. Now this is Buddha. Buddha wants to make a paper cube using squared sheets. He knows that all the faces of a cube are square. So as I showed you this one, it is a cube, and cube has all the faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are in the shape of a square. Okay, so how many faces does the cube have 6 faces. Okay, now he drew 2 shapes. See this shape. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces are here. And then this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he drew 2 different shapes, and then these shapes turned out to be a cube. Now you have to draw 2 more now. Will both these shape folds into a cube? Now let us see. When you're going to fold this upright 1, 2, 3, right? The fourth wall is here, and this one will overlap. Okay, and then this definitely 4 walls, the top and the bottom, this will definitely turn into a box, and this you will prepare and see. This is a homework for you. Okay, now draw at least one more shape which can fold into a cube. One more shape you have to draw here. Okay, so let us draw one more shape. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, side wall 5 and right side wall 6. So definitely this will turn into a cube. Okay students, so like this one shape you have to draw. Okay, now another question is, draw one shape which will not fold into a cube. So you make one of the wall side missing, this wall, any side missing. Okay, so let me draw it like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 only faces are there. Definitely one face will be missing, and that's why this will not complete a cube. One wall is missing, so this will not be a closed box, but it will be a open box. Okay students, look around and discuss which things around you look like a cube. Okay, just now we have discussed that erasers, compass box, cigarette box, match box, all these things are actually the cuboid shaped boxes. Now for cube you may write the dice which is there, right? So like this you may list it down. Now shape for an open box. Just now I showed you one of the shape. Now what is an open box? The open box is actually a box with one of the face missing. That means completely 6 faces won't be there. There will be only and only 5 faces. So let me show you. See, this is the next page of the same chapter. This is an open box. You have seen this is open from here. You can fill something inside, no matter. Everything will go inside. Right. Now this girl, I can make open box with both these, but I cannot make with these. So when it is going to fold it, so this will upright stand, this will stand upright, this will stand upright, this will stand upright, this will be the bottom. So the top will be missing. The box is going to look like this. Similarly, all 4 walls are there, and this is the bottom. So top is missing. Understood student? So this won't make a box. This will make an open box. This will make an open box. But why these will not make an open box? 5 faces are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when you are going to fold it, okay, let me show you. Look student, here I had made the cutout like this. Now why the girl is not able to make it in a box? See, I am folding it. So it will form a cube. Could you see? which is open from top as well as open from here, because this side is actually overlapping one side here. It is one flap is here, no need, right? One is actually the bottom of the box, like this, right? Why there is a need of this one? It is an extra one. Could you see? It is overlapping the other side. Could you see this? So the box is open from top. Could you see? And the box is open from one more side. We need an open box which is open only either from one of the top, one of the side. Okay, so two walls are missing or two faces are missing, then this is not forming an open box. It is of no use. Okay, now let us see for the next one. Students, I had made a cutout like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces are here. I am folding it for you now. See, one of the wall of the box, second wall, third wall, fourth wall. See, one wall, 2, 3 and 4. Could you see this? Right, this. And when it is forming a box like this, this side is overlapping the another one, but when we stick it, this side is open and the bottom is also open. We need only one side open, not two sides, otherwise it will not form a box. So again, this cutout won't make the box. So we came to know why the girl said that, but this, with these I cannot make an open box, because these are completely open. You cannot keep anything inside these boxes. Okay students, we are going to see the next topic then. Okay. Thank you students for watching the video so patiently. I hope you have understood all what I have taught you in this video. We will be meeting soon with another part. Till then, have a great day ahead. Goodbye.